Hi, I'm Dipansh, and today I'm trying Docker level 1. I haven't yet used Docker anywhere in my life. I don't really know what kind of use cases it has, but I'm gonna start at it right away. So yeah, I know it is something related to containerization and the apps that we use in production. So they need to be containerized so that we can run them on multiple uh, environments easily without much problem of configuration, etc. So yeah, I know that much about Docker, but I haven't used it. So this will be my first attempt at it. So there is this one, install Docker package, and I'm gonna start this lab. Actually, I have already started it to save time. So let me move on to that tab. So yeah, here we are in this lab, and a quick go through from yeah. Okay, last week the the DevOps team met with an application development team and decided to containerize several of their applications. The DevOps team wants to do some testing for the following. First, I have to install Docker CE and Docker Compose packages on app server 3. Then I have to start the Docker service. So I'll have to check the credentials of app server 3. So I can see the app server 3 is here, and I have the server name here, and the username is banner. Okay, the password is big green. I'll close this. I'll type SSH. First the username, that is banner, and then the server name, that is this, and yeah, just enter, just return. I'll give it the permission. Yes, please. Our password is big green, capital BIG, capital GR double three N. I'm into the machine now. I need to install Docker CE. Um, First, I need to know which kind of machine this is because every installation is different on different servers, right? So let me check URNAME minus R. Okay, it's saying your name is not found. Hmm. I'll have to do a quick Google search. I don't remember the command. How to check the Linux distribution. Okay, cat, etc. OS release. Okay, it is saying CentOS. See, CentOS. I need to then check the installation commands for Docker for CentOS. I'll search it. Install Docker CE on CentOS. Yeah. So there is the official Docker documentation. That is the best approach always. I'll go here. Okay, it is saying first I should sudo yum install -y yum utils. Yum utils, which provides the yum configuration manager utility to set up the repository. Okay, so first we need to install, set up the repository that Docker will be using. So for that we need to install yum utils. Password is again BIG, capital GR double three N. Okay, and the next one will be this command, sudo yum config manager add repository. This is the repository that holds Docker. Okay, waiting for it to install. Yeah, in the meantime, I can check for Docker Compose as well, I guess. So install Docker Compose CENTOS CentOS. And how to install Docker Compose on CentOS 7. Okay, let me see. Docker download compose. Okay. Docker compose. At the time of writing, latest stable released Docker container was this. To check for new version, refer to Docker compose page on GitHub. Okay. So 2.20.3 is the latest version of Docker compose right now. Then maybe I just need to change this thing to that. Okay. Yeah. But we'll go to that later. The previous installation might have completed already. I need to install it here. Or maybe, yeah, sorry, adding the repo, no? Adding repo, complete, done. Okay, now what is next? I need to install Docker engine. To install, run the latest version. Yeah, Docker CE, Docker CLI, container.io, Docker. Okay, it seems like Docker Compose plugin is here, but Docker Compose plugin is a different thing, I guess, and Docker Compose is different. Now, mind. I'll go to this place. Yeah, so yeah, installing. Cool. Yes, I want to download. Why? Hmm. Yes, completed. Nice. Now what I need to do is I just need to install Docker Compose. For that, I will go to this next one and yum sudo yum install curl. Curl is by default installed there. I am sure of it. Oops, sorry. So yeah, then adding this command. I need to change the version of the Docker Compose here because that's not the latest one. The latest one was 2.20.3. I just checked it. 2.20.3, right? Yeah, enter. Where user local pin Docker Compose. Okay, it is completed. Cool. Now, what next? I just need to make it executable. I will make it executable. Next, what? Check if that is installed. Command not found. Hmm. Maybe I did some wrong. Maybe this is not the best. Okay, so uh, I'll use this command instead then. Again, 2.20.3. See, there is some difference in this one and the previous one. I'll check what that is. 20.3. See, uh, till here it is the same. Then there is uname minus s. Looks the same. Okay, user local bin Docker Compose. There's this extra space. No, the command is absolutely the same. Okay, now mine. What's different? Sudo move it. Okay, I have to move it from local to bin. Okay, it was installed in local. The quiz portal has lost connectivity with this session. Either your session is expired or there is an issue with the internet connectivity. Trying to reconnect. Hold on. I need you to hold on. You're back. Thank you. My progress is saved. Yeah, this was the command that I was supposed to run again. B-A-B-I-G-G-R-3-3-N. Then what is the next one? I have to make it executable. Sudo chmod, paste it. Thank you. Let me see if it is installed then. Docker Compose version. Yes, Docker Compose is installed. Now I can start Docker service. How should I start Docker service? Let me just check it on the documentation again. Yeah, start Docker using sudo system control start Docker. I'll copy this command. I'll paste it here. I guess it is started. Let me check. Yeah, confirm. Completed. So this is completed, and I'll be moving on to the next lab. Stay tuned in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.